bright red is a poison frog.
Oh.
Okay?
Ooh.
It is right here. It is tiny. Look. You hear it? And now we're gonna try to see it. It is next to this one, that bright red spot there. You hear? That's him, madam. It's about an inch or
Poison
less.
frog.
That's a strawberry poison frog. Yes, because now he's like, yeah. And now he's peeing.
Oh.
Yeah, the first defense mechanism is like whine like a snake climate, and then if you don't stop, they pee, right?
Oh, that's fine.
And they don't like caves. They come out at night. They eat insects, specifically bugs and flies. And this is full grown. This is mom and dad.
This tree is
Well, I
amazing.
like to think of. It's a beautiful tree. It's en español is called Dios. Y-O-Z
Canopy's
in
gorgeous.
Spanish. In English, Dios too. It doesn't have an English name. However, I like to say broccoli because when you go on the bridge and you see it, you're like, oh, look, the broccoli tree. But the point is that it has a beautiful crown.
So the height of this hanging bridge is 21 meters and it's 53 meters long.
Listen to the cicadas.
Oh yeah, you hear it. You absolutely hear it.
Bouncy.
Yeah.
I'm just gonna stand still for now.
Yeah.
The kind of a spider he is in, or the group, they shouldn't be like making this. But this one is the exception to the rule.
This is wobbly. Which is why it's called a chicken. Yeah. One, two, three.
Great picture.
This one, sir, is called eyelash viper. Because if you look carefully on the left side of its head, it's got eyelashes. Yeah? This is a special snake. I know you'll be like, oh, it's tiny. But
Oh, it'll.
if that guy gives you a taste, it's not that tiny. Of course, a healthy person, like everybody in this group, should be just complaining of, yeah, he bit me, I have to go to the hospital, no problem, get the check and the, you know, the treatment. An unhealthy person, you know, like problems with health problems, it will be a different story.
You're close.
Another photo bomb. Get in there.
What a path.
Smell this.
Okay, that's crazy.
This is Juanilama. You dry it,
Holy moly.
you grind it, and you drink it.
Ooh,
Put
it
it-
smells like
Like-
lemony.
Yeah, it's
Is
like
it good, good for your stomach?
it's a far related to oregano. Let's say you had a meal and you know like your tummy's not.
Uh-huh.
This
That's what
is
that
like
is?
the best thing ever.
Wow.
Yep.
Oh yeah.
Oh, that's another path.
That's so neat.
That's crazy.
Well, they probably cut it so it's easier for
One
them
of
to
the
walk.
trash cans is that bunch of dirt.
Mhm.
That's where they throw the
Yeah. Uh-huh.
the waste. You know.
Yeah. All right. Ready to do this. Sloth. A sloth.
A sloth?
Three-toed sloth. Yeah. Just tugging it.
Go fast?
Huh?
I went fast.
Did you go fast? Round? Nice.
Okay, right over here is very slippery, okay?
Okay.
Just give a good, very good distance and only use the brake. The handbrake and foot brake.
Okay.
Okay, give a good distance.
Okay. Whoa. Eh, that was close. Gracias. Yeah, 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 yeah.
Okay.
Whoa, yep, we good.
Okay.
Yep, gracias. I got sideways. Oh, she killed it. She got it. She won. Joanna won.
I got stuck in the little divot for a while. Your back right was just high off the ground.
Was it?
For most of it.
Yeah.
So I was shocked. I just thought I was going to fall off one side.
Oh, yeah. That's why you got to make sure just everything goes this way. Look at this one.
No, look at mine.
Yeah, you got it up. You got it up the leg. That guy's a little bit dirty. Yeah? You want me to video it? Yeah. Take this home. That sucked! All right. I apologize, GoPro. I apologize for what's about to happen. Okay. Okay. I apologize, GoPro. I got a running start too, because I got his all the way up in the thing, and I just kept going.
Yeah, he said just come on, he'd work it out that you would go. And
All right. Another one? Oh, we got to go to the side? Okay. All right, go ahead, love. Oh, okay, I'll park in the puddle. Ain't gotta tell me 2 times. So much for trying to stick me.
Part of my jacket got real muddy. I hope that cleans up.
It'll
It
be
looks
fine.
like you just spilled a chocolate milkshake
I
right
know.
down the front.